Good morning, everybody. Just wanted to give you an update on the weather. It is 1 degree outside today. You can see our pool that's being remodeled. And I just showed you the thermostat down one end of the house is 71. Now we have this pretty big family room here with these 16-foot ceilings. It's 24 by 24. And we don't have enough heat in here to maintain the temperature. We like to keep our house at 71, but the kitchen has no heat in it, which is kind of strange, but that's the way it's always been. So this room struggles. You can see it here. 1 degree. It's actually -11 outside with the wind chill because it's windy. So this room runs 24 hours a day for the heat. And when it's really cold, it just can't keep up with things. So a couple of years ago, we had this gas fireplace insert put in. And let me tell you, it's been a godsend. So I am going to turn that on for you this morning. Okay. All right, better turn this on. Now, I normally set this fan speed at 1 and the flame height at 1. You're gonna see this pop on. Now that'll probably run about 4 minutes and then the fan will kick in. And I'll probably have to turn the fan up a little bit today, probably to 2. But we just had about another 4 or 5 inches of snow yesterday. I already did my driveway, but we weren't able to go anywhere yesterday because of the cold. So, just getting back to the fireplace. This fireplace will heat this room up to 71, 72, 73, depending on how long I leave it on. And it just gets so comfortable in here. So if you have a cold room in your house and a fireplace and you don't want to burn wood, this is the perfect alternative for you. So, do me a favor, subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, hit the bell so you get notified of videos I make. Some videos I make are really good and some aren't. But I've got thousands of videos out over a lot of social media platforms. So I appreciate you taking time to stop by and watch this. And if you're interested in getting a fireplace like this, there'll be a link in the description below where you can do that. Thank you.